Every great building begins long before the first wall is assembled. It begins in a place where innovation meets precision, where advanced automation works hand in hand with natural materials, where every millimeter matters. Welcome to the System 3E factory. This is where one of the world's most innovative construction systems comes to life. At the heart of every System 3E element is a remarkable natural material, expanded perlite. Formed from volcanic rock and expanded using heat, perlite contains millions of microscopic air cells that give it exceptional thermal insulation, outstanding fire resistance, and long-term durability. Each System 3E element is made of 99% natural perlite, making it one of the most environmentally friendly structural building materials available today. But outstanding material alone is not enough. To build walls without mortar or glue, every element must be manufactured with extraordinary precision. That precision begins here. The production process starts by filling specially engineered steel molds with the prepared perlite mixture. The material is then precisely compressed inside the molds under carefully controlled conditions. Every edge, every surface, every connection, every dimension is manufactured to exact tolerances. Because the quality of every future building depends on the precision achieved during production. As the elements leave the molds, the next stage begins. Every single element is carefully inspected to verify its dimensions, geometry, and manufacturing quality. This rigorous quality control ensures that every pallet leaving the factory delivers the same exceptional accuracy. After inspection, the elements are automatically transported, sorted, packaged, and placed into storage, ready for delivery. Today, nearly 90% of the factory operates automatically. Advanced production equipment, robotic handling systems, automated packaging, and intelligent logistics work together to deliver consistent quality while minimizing manual intervention. This highly automated process allows the factory to manufacture up to 600,000 structural elements every year. Yet perhaps the most remarkable aspect of the system is its simplicity. The entire construction system is based on just 6 primary structural elements. Every other component used in construction is prefabricated from these core elements, allowing architects and builders to create complete buildings while keeping production efficient, repeatable, and highly reliable. The real innovation, however, becomes visible only on the construction site. Because every element has been manufactured with exceptional dimensional accuracy, they fit together perfectly using the patented tongue and groove interlocking geometry. No mortar, no glue, no water. The elements simply lock together to create a stable, monolithic wall structure with perfectly straight surfaces and precise 90-degree corners. The dry construction method dramatically accelerates the building process. There is no waiting for mortar to cure, no delays caused by wet construction. Walls are assembled quickly, accurately, and are immediately ready for the next stages of the project. But innovation should never make construction more complicated. That is why System 3E has been designed to work seamlessly with traditional construction methods. Whether a building includes reinforced concrete, structural steel, timber roof systems, or conventional floor structures, System 3E integrates naturally with them. The same philosophy applies to building installations. Electrical systems, plumbing, heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and communication networks are all installed using standard construction practices. Electricians use conventional wall chasers or milling tools to route conduits directly into the inner face of the walls. Once the installation is complete, the channels are filled with mineral repair mortar before the final plaster finish is applied. Larger plumbing systems and mechanical services are positioned inside internal partition walls, service shafts, suspended ceilings, or floor structures, exactly as they are in conventional construction. No specialized equipment, no proprietary installation methods, no additional training. Builders can work using the tools and techniques they already know. Once construction is complete, both sides of every wall are finished with mineral plaster or render. The reinforced exterior render protects the building against weather and moisture, while the interior finish creates a continuous airtight envelope. Together, these layers seal the dry joints, preventing unwanted air leakage while protecting the building from external conditions. The result is a durable, airtight, weather-resistant building envelope that combines the speed of dry construction with the long-term reliability expected from permanent masonry. Every stage of production has a purpose. Automation delivers consistency. Precision eliminates uncertainty. Natural perlite provides exceptional performance. And intelligent engineering transforms 6 simple elements into complete, energy-efficient buildings. This is more than manufacturing. It is a new approach to construction, one that makes building faster, cleaner, more sustainable, and remarkably simple. Because the future of construction doesn't begin on the building site. It begins here. Welcome to System 3E.